Once again, I appreciate you tuning into my CryptoQ Media channel. Earlier today, XRP appeared to have no bottom. Nevertheless, we have retreated and bounced off 2.15, as many had anticipated. Now we find ourselves at 2.31. My research indicates that XRP has once again fallen below 1. Instead, XRP has done admirably, maintaining a price above 2. The 7-day chart also shows the anticipated double bottom. It appears that from this point on, we will begin to break out. We will have to wait and see what happens. Word on the street is that something spectacular is about to happen in the days leading up to Christmas. Although I cannot confirm it, it appears that things are beginning to improve. You won't be in danger on a roller coaster unless you're absolutely bonkers. 101. Reading your material was a real pleasure for me. The one method to incur a loss while dealing with Bitcoin is to sell. It appears that everyone I speak with holds the opinion that XRP was an unwise investment. Losses will only materialize when you sell. We will continue to make progress despite this. Those who did their shopping the week before the election, the value of XRP has lately multiplied by 5, according to most people. Many were anticipating our breakout when we were trading at 50 or 60 cents, but that was nothing compared to what is ahead. If you want to know how to invest in XRP like an expert, all the market analysts agree, look at the market right now. It is the dip that they are purchasing. After coming to the conclusion that XRP prices below 2 are doomed, I'll offer you another shot at buying XRP at 2. I'm hoping RLUSD will soon make a splash and increase XRP's value. Recurring payments on the X platform are currently unavailable. Until Ripple platform launches RLUSD, do not make any purchases. The price of this coin is going to explode as a result of that. Some continue to this day to demand 168 for XRP. They are predicting a 268 rise, an XRP price of 13, and an XRP price of 4.50 cents, all based on the 2017 run. The key to reaching that pricing threshold, in my opinion, is practicality. Wonderful news. XRP will also be usable in early 2025. In my opinion, Ripple will make a big splash. Although this is encouraging news for XRP holders like us, Ripple's momentum has been consistent during the whole down market. In order to keep you motivated and encouraged while also demonstrating the progress around Ripple, I kept mentioning how the price of XRP has remained constant daily during that period. Currently, the market is beginning to react. We can begin to make plans for the future now. This essay was fantastic, and I can't wait to see what 2025 brings from Tokenizer. Ripple XRP is dissected and the object in your hands is described. Instead of following the herd, Ripple stood out as an unexpected competitor within a decade simply because it was the first cryptocurrency to provide financial institutions with distributed ledger technology (DLT). Once that passes, we will presumably still be here. On the other hand, Ripple has been around for a while. In every respect, they are flourishing. We are approaching the end of the bad news about the SEC. Numerous public and commercial institutions, including banks and international monetary organizations, are highly dependent on one another. The involvement of significant international organizations like the ISO, the IMF, and the World Bank is one of several connections. Another is the collaboration between central banks like the Bank of England, the Bank of Colombia, and MOS, as well as technological advancements in the financial sector made possible by SBI, MasterCard, and our checks. And this is the Ripple ecosystem in action. The environment may become visible after little more than 10 years. Throughout 2022, 2023, and into the beginning of 2024, I demonstrated that the ecosystem continued to expand and flourish. Microsoft has been operating for about half a century. Apple has been around for 48 years. This IBM is 113 years old. There is a 153-year history at Morgan. Visa has been around for 66 years, but MasterCard has only been around for 58. Ripple has achieved a lot in its little history, but it is fair to say that it has become a front runner in the financial sector, setting the stage for future tokenization and digital finance. Witness the world's swinging rails in action. Despite being sued by the SEC, RIP continued to develop unstoppably and eventually became an international corporation. Everyone wants XRP to suddenly be worth 1,000, but how long does it typically take to start a whole new monetary system? The entire United States is about to join us now that we have a president and Congress that are both pro-crypto. The United States is quickly becoming a major center for Bitcoin. With all its global expansion and consolidation, Ripple is well positioned to dominate the US market. From your point of view, what proof do we have that Trump and Ripple had conversations throughout the 2017 and 2018 summers? Things are starting to fall into place. The trading volume of XRP overtook that of Bitcoin this week, making it the leading cryptocurrency in South Korea. Despite CoinMarketCap's best efforts to hide the fact that XRP is actually priced in South Korean dollars, the cryptocurrency market still loves XRP. As a sign of the currency's increasing dominance, XRP trading soared over 50.17 on a prominent South Korean market. Costs went up, that is. By the way, that surge was really big. This instance differed from others in that it did not undergo a sharp increase above 1,000 followed by a sharp decrease. The price increase occurred in South Korea, when one XRP coin was selling for 50. You should know that a lot of people are unaware of that. They might have brushed it off as a glitch, but XRP was selling at that price because people were buying it. Just sit tight until demand reaches an all-time high, and then supply shock will occur. It is possible to conclude that XRP will never go over this price point by looking at market capitalization and previous cycles. According to South Korea, that organization is completely wrong. Still, XRP's worth will skyrocket to heights we have yet to even fathom. Opponents of XRP fail to grasp that it represented 37.4% of Bitcoin's market cap prior to the SEC case, resulting in its current value of 12.80. It is anticipated that XRP would stage a quick rebound after the case is concluded and a crypto-friendly administration is installed. Compared to 12.80, 20 doesn't seem like much of a difference. Those who have maintained that the SEC versus Ripple case was unnecessary claim that the current price of XRP is 12.80, which is significantly lower than what it actually is. We will ultimately succeed in capturing it due to its significantly higher altitude. The true worth of XRP will, in my opinion, be exposed once more very soon. Even if the smart money is already jumping ship from Bitcoin SEC, I believe it has the potential to halt Bitcoin's current surge. If a government shutdown were to occur, the SEC would be ready. This is currently attracting a lot of attention. Seems like everyone is in agreement that ETF approvals will have to wait until Trump's inauguration in 2025 and Gary's resignation from the SEC before they can happen. The only thing we can do is wait for something else to happen. In addition, many believe that the Ripple vs. SEC case will be dismissed without subsequent examination. The outcome of it will also be visible to us. My deepest gratitude for taking the time to view my video. Your support in the form of a subscribe and like would mean the world to me. I will say goodbye for the time being.